Welcome to Gear Era, the channel dedicated to exploring the machines that push technology, performance, and design into new dimensions. Today we step into the world of extreme hybrid hypercars with the McLaren P1, a vehicle that continues to command admiration years after its debut. The goal of this detailed review is to help you understand how the P1 merges engineering brilliance with emotional driving excitement, and why it remains one of the most celebrated creations in automotive history. The McLaren P1 was created with a singular purpose: to be the ultimate driver's car. It is built around a carbon fiber monocoque that balances rigidity with weight reduction, giving the car an immediate advantage even before factoring in its hybrid powertrain. McLaren engineered the P1 with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, using active systems that shape airflow depending on speed, load, and driver inputs. This combination of lightweight construction and intelligent aerodynamics gives the P1 an unmistakable presence both in motion and at rest. Powering the McLaren P1 is a hybrid system that blends a twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V8 engine with an electric motor that adds instant torque and responsiveness. Together, they produce output levels that place the P1 firmly among the most powerful cars ever built. The electric motor does more than assist acceleration. Torque gaps, improves throttle precision, and allows the car to move silently in electric mode when desired. McLaren's engineers designed the hybrid integration to focus on performance first, making the P1 feel seamless and natural when transitioning between power sources. Handling is where the McLaren P1 truly begins to separate itself from traditional performance cars. The suspension system uses race-inspired technology that adapts to track conditions and driver intent, allowing the car to maintain stability even under extreme cornering forces. Steering feedback is sharp and communicative, giving the driver confidence to push harder while still feeling completely in control. Every component of the chassis is engineered to react with precision, making the P1 feel agile, balanced, and brutally capable whether carving through tight corners or charging down long straights. The exterior design of the McLaren P1 continues to attract attention with its sculpted bodywork that serves functional and aesthetic purposes. Every curve, vent, and contour is shaped to manage airflow, cool mechanical components, and generate downforce. The rear wing adjusts automatically to optimize grip and stability, transforming the car depending on speed and driving mode. The P1 looks futuristic yet purposeful, a design language that blends motorsport inspiration with refined modern artistry. Even standing still, the P1 communicates aggression and elegance in equal measure. Inside the McLaren P1, the cabin is crafted with a minimalistic intention that keeps the focus entirely on driving. Lightweight materials dominate the interior, from exposed carbon fiber panels to slim racing-inspired seats that hold the driver firmly during high-performance situations. The controls are designed to be intuitive and functional, reducing distractions and giving the driver direct access to the car's dynamic system. The overall environment feels like a fusion between a racing cockpit and a premium road car, offering comfort without compromising the vehicle's purpose as a performance machine. Driving the McLaren P1 is an experience centered around precision, speed, and emotional. The hybrid system does not merely provide power. It changes the character of acceleration by blending electric torque with explosive V8 output. The car launches forward with immediate thrust, creating a sensation that feels controlled, yet overwhelmingly fast. Braking performance matches the acceleration, thanks to advanced carbon ceramic brakes designed to resist fade and maintain consistency under heavy use. The P1 rewards skilled drivers with responsiveness and stability that few hypercars can replicate. Another important aspect of the McLaren P1 is its ability to deliver different personalities depending on the selected driving mode. In electric mode, the car moves quietly and smoothly, a surprising characteristic for a machine capable of extreme performance. In sport or track mode, the P1 becomes an entirely different beast, sharpening throttle response, tightening suspension behavior, and maximizing aerodynamic effectiveness. These transformations allow the driver to enjoy the car in multiple environments, while still accessing its full performance potential when conditions permit. The McLaren P1 stands as a benchmark in the evolution of hybrid performance vehicles. Its engineering philosophy focuses on extracting the maximum possible capability from every component, proving that hybrid technology can enhance driving excitement rather than soften it. The car demonstrates how electric assistance can be used to push boundaries and redefine what a hypercar can achieve. Even after years of competition and advancements from other manufacturers, the P1 maintains its reputation as one of the most influential performance machines ever produced. As we examine the McLaren P1 in detail, it becomes clear that this hypercar is not defined by one single aspect, but by the harmony of engineering, artistry, and innovation embedded into its creation. It represents a philosophy that blends the thrill of speed with the precision of modern technology. The result is a machine that continues to influence automotive design, inspire future development, and excite drivers who seek the purest form of mechanical engagement. The P1 is more than a car. It is a statement of what can be achieved when boundaries are pushed without compromise. With all these qualities combined, the McLaren P1 remains a symbol of speed, innovation, and driving purity. It appeals to enthusiasts who value engineering excellence and emotional engagement in equal measure. The experience it offers goes far beyond numbers or performance metrics. It is defined by the feeling of control, sensation of acceleration, and the understanding that every part of the car serves a distinct purpose. The P1 continues to stand among the most admired hypercars ever created, leaving a lasting impression on anyone fortunate enough to experience it. Thank you for joining Gear Era as we explored the engineering, performance, and innovation behind the McLaren P1. This exceptional machine showcases what happens when technology and passion intersect with purpose, creating a driving experience that resonates long after the engine falls silent. Your support helps us continue bringing detailed insights and reviews that celebrate automotive excellence from around the world. If you enjoyed this in-depth exploration and want to stay connected with future content, make sure to support the channel and subscribe at the end. Your engagement encourages us to keep exploring remarkable performance machines, uncovering the stories, craftsmanship, and engineering breakthroughs that define them, while ensuring every viewer gains valuable understanding and appreciation for the technology shaping modern automotive excellence across the globe. With each new episode, we create for you to enjoy.